Hey everybody, Matt from A to Z Diecast, continuing my Foxbody addiction. This is the 2017 Johnny Lightning Hobby Exclusive, one of 1800 Ford Mustang. Again, it says it's a 1990, it's a GT, but we all know that they're basically the same car from 87 to 93. This is a deep emerald green. Excuse the background noise, ladies and gentlemen. If you hear it on the video, that is the heat kicking on. It's a little cold out today. Okay, so here it is. Opening hood. Come on, trying to do this one-handed. Not a bad rendition of the 5.0 inside. Everything's on the correct side, but you know, what are you gonna do for 164? Rims, they're not ponies. Interior white. What are they trying to do? 7-Up edition? Yeah, would be a convertible with white top and white ponies. Tribute. Never seen that before. I haven't paid attention to that. Tailpipes. Johnny Lightning. Again, using the old school Playing Mantis branded castings. Again, not a great rendition of the Fox, but of course I'm going to buy it. Doesn't roll it bad either. Again, one of my big concerns with this casting, it's hard for you to see. Those back windows are actually inside. It's a big lip. There you go. There's a lip on the window. Definitely not what it looks like. Anyway. Still not one of my favorite renditions of the Fox, but I got one. Thanks for listening to me rant. I'll do the white one also, or if you watch the white one first, whatever, however that works. But ongoing saga of me and my Foxes. Like us, subscribe, and share. Thanks, everybody.